while we're on taxes, it's been 6 months since the enactment of the federal tax law, the new one, the Trump tax cuts. And the new tax return is the size of a postcard, as Trump promised. Does this mean our taxes are going to be simplified?
The short answer to that is no. Because just because we have this visual of this postcard of what a tax return is now going to look like does not mean that taxes have been simplified. Now, if the changes in the new tax law make it so that you are no longer itemizing your deductions, then your taxes effectively are simpler. But in high-tax, high-cost states like New Jersey, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be simpler. And what it may very well mean is that you're going to be paying more federal taxes. Because remember, there's still going to be additional schedules to attach to your tax return. The simplification is really related to the Schedule A, which is the itemized deductions, which the point was to try to get rid of that. So the government still needs information that goes beyond the postcard. So I don't think that we should get caught up that just because we have a postcard as somewhat the first page of the tax return, that is not necessarily going to be the end-all, be-all. And I also want to say that people should not assume that their filing is going to be simpler and that their taxes are going down. That is not an automatic. These tax cuts that are going to benefit most people in the country really are not going to benefit people such as us in high-tax states because federal taxes are going to go up because of our loss of state and local tax deductions. So I think that the new tax law, as it pertains to us here in New Jersey and in New York and other similar states, it is going to promote migration between states. And I have to tell you, Matt, virtually every conversation that I have with clients, especially clients that are wealthier, the conversation is about the tax strategy and what it takes to get out of New Jersey. And quite frankly, it's a shame.